Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you're ready to showcase your UX design skills online but want a simple, budget-friendly way to do it, you're in the right spot. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through building your very own UX design portfolio website for free using Notion and a ready-made template. By the end, you'll have a sleek, professional digital portfolio to show off your credentials and creative work. And best of all, you won't need to touch a single line of code. Let's get started. First things first, we're going to leverage a free UX design portfolio website template. This is a fantastic way to save time, especially if you're new to building websites or just want to jump straight into customizing instead of worrying about the nitty-gritty of page layouts. Templates in Notion are designed by professionals, so you'll already have that polished look from the get-go. And don't worry, you can personalize it after you've set the basics. So here's how we begin. Open your Notion workspace and look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a little icon with a drop-down menu. Click on that. This is where more page options come up. Sometimes folks miss this button, so take a moment to look around if it isn't immediately obvious. It's the one that brings up options like Browse Templates. Go ahead and click Browse Template. You'll be greeted by a variety of templates, but for this demo, we want the UX Design Portfolio Website template. If you don't see it right away, just use the search bar there and type in UX Design Portfolio Website. You'll see a handful of visually appealing templates pop up. Pick the one that appeals to you most, whether it's modern minimalist or a bit more colorful. Once you find a template you like, select it and click Add. Notion will instantly generate a new page based on this template within your workspace. It's almost like magic. Suddenly you've got a fully built website structure right in front of you. Pause here for a moment and explore what's included. These templates usually have sections for your bio, case studies, featured projects, and contact details. This makes your portfolio easy for recruiters and collaborators to navigate, which is super important when your goal is to make a strong first impression. Now, let's get personal. Start by replacing the placeholder text with your actual credentials, your name, professional headline, and maybe a short blurb about your design philosophy or unique skills. This is your chance to let your personality shine through. People aren't just looking for skills, they're looking for who you are as a designer. If you've got creative work to show off, like mock-ups, prototypes, or links to live projects, add them in the existing sections. You can embed images, upload PDFs, or even drop in external links. Notion makes this easy with simple drag and drop, so don't worry if you're not super technical. Customizing the template is where your site comes alive. Feel free to rearrange sections, add a custom banner, or tweak the colors to fit your brand identity. Maybe you prefer a clean monochrome look, or maybe some accent color helps your portfolio stand out. You can even adjust the navigation menu to make sure visitors find your favorites first. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Notion lets you undo changes or revert back anytime. So explore and experiment. And there you have it. A professional, personalized portfolio website created entirely in Notion and available for free. It's ready for sharing with potential employers or collaborators, and you can update it anytime as your career evolves. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about setting up your Notion portfolio, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Make sure to hit subscribe for more tutorials on digital portfolios, UX tips, and making the most out of free online tools. Thanks for watching and happy designing.